Hello traders. In this video, I will share my analysis on Nifty. We will look for important levels on price graph, and we will look at option chain data. What option chain data is saying. We will look for where option writing, that is call writing and put writing, is going for coming expiry. Today is 13th April. We are doing this analysis today on Tuesday because Wednesday, that is tomorrow, 14th April, we have a trading holiday, and on 15th April we have an expiry. So this is the price graph of Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. So yesterday after a big fall, you can see the Nifty took U-turn from 14,248 level. Nifty made a low of 14,248.70. Now, why exactly Nifty took U-turn from this level? Because if you remember, on 25th March we got a big fall in market, and on that day Nifty took a U-turn from 14,264.40. So that level was expected yesterday also. Nifty will take a U-turn from somewhere close to 14,264, and exactly it happened. It made a low of 14,248, 14,248.70, and right now you can see Nifty is trading at 14,391. Now on upside, guys, 14,460 level is acting like a resistance today. Now, why 14,460 level? So, on 5th April, again, we got a big fall in Nifty. On 5th April, what Nifty did, it opened at 14,849 and made a low of 14,459.50 and took U-turn and went very close to 15,000 on last expiry. In today's trading session, the 5th April low is working like a resistance. So you can see we are getting some selling pressure near 14,460 level. So my sense is that once 14,460 level is taken out on upside, we can go for bull put spread for 15th April expiry. So these are the important levels to watch for Nifty. On upside, keep a close watch on 14,460 level. On downside, you should keep a close watch on 14,248 level. Let me take you to option chain data now. Let's see what option, where option writing is going on. Okay, so this is Nifty option chain data for 15th April expiry. Let me zoom it for you. 14,000 strike price put option, highest open interest 33 lakh 73,200. Look at the change in addition, 9 lakh 51,900. Uh, no major change in addition I can see here. Look at this strike now, 14,400. In 14,400, total OI on put side 27 lakh. Look at the change, 18 lakh 76,200. So put writing is going on in strike 14,400. But equal, you can see call writing is also going on. So we have a 18 lakh 13,725 new addition in 14,400 call, and same is the case in 14,400 put. So equal call writing and put writing is going on. So this clearly indicates direction is not yet clear. On call side, 14,500 strike is having highest open interest. 42 lakh 42,750 shares are outstanding. Look at the addition, 11 lakhs only. So no major change here also. So the broad range for Nifty stands, 14,000 on put side, 14,500 on call side, as these two levels are having highest open interest. But what important for us to identify change in open interest, and that is equal happening in 14,400 call and put. So direction is not yet clear. So we actually cannot design. We actually cannot decide, okay, which option strategy we should go for. So as per graph analysis, my sense is once we cross 14,460 on upside, we can go for bull put spread, as I told you. So in that case, guys, what you can do, you can short 14,000 put option, and to get margin benefit, what you can do, maybe you can buy 13,500 put option. So In this way, you will get a margin benefit and you can easily make up to 2% on your investment. Okay, maybe between 1.5 to 2%. See, if you wish to have a safe trade, you can also think for going short on 13950 or 3900 strike. So you can select any one strike out of three: 14,000, 13,950, or 13,900. And to get margin benefit, you can buy deep OTM option with 400, 500 points distance. In this way, you can easily make 1.5 to 2% return on your capital. The only risk in this strategy is overnight risk. So on Thursday, if we got a massive gap down opening, then you may face a loss in this strategy. But again, the chances are very rare that we will get massive gap down on Thursday. Once you execute this trade, you can keep stop loss two times on selling leg. So take for example 14,000 put option. Let's assume you sold at 20. Then your stop loss should be 40. Or else let's say you sold 13,900 put at 15 rupees. So keep stop loss 30 rupees. So your stop loss should be two times on selling back. So keep a close watch on Nifty, the levels which I've shared with you. So on upside, 14,460 is working like a resistance. On downside, you know we have a support at 14,248 level. Once 14,460 cross, then only you should go for bull put spread.